So here is our project. I got this table on Facebook Marketplace probably, oh gosh, I don't know, maybe 3-4 years ago. And I've enjoyed it. I like it with, you know, the decor and everything, but I'm loving this green. And I am trying out this paint. I've seen it used and it looks really amazing. It's Beyond Paint. It's an all-in-one kind of a primer, a seal, and paint all in one, and it gives it a nice finish. And I wanted to try out this green, and I just kind of think it's going to be a beautiful look. And I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, if you have a piece of furniture, you know, or even some cabinets or something like that that you don't love anymore, you know, the amazing thing about paint is it just revives a space, a unit, you know, a piece of furniture, and you can buy things, you know, very inexpensively, or something that you already have, and then, you know, revamp it, and it's really good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, take everything off. I think the green will go great with the pictures and just everything in the room, because I do have some greenery all around. So I'm excited to show this to you. And you know, paint is a wonderful thing. So let's get everything taken off. Let's clean it down really good, and we'll start painting. See how it goes. Okay, so when I bought this, I bought the kit. So I bought this size of paint because from what it all says and what I've seen is it a little bit goes a long way. So I bought this side. This is forest green. And then I went ahead and bought the kit, which comes with the roller, the pad, and then the steeple brush, and then the reservoir to put the paint. Because, and as I'll show you what they say to do, like this would be just all rolling, but then when you've got corners and whatnot, you steeple and then you roll to get the best look. But it kind of gives you all the information, gives you ideas before and afters, all the colors that they have. What I think is cool is these countertop finishes. So you could literally paint your countertops and have that granite kind of look. And I think that is really a great idea. You know, if you don't have the budget yet to go in and completely change out the, you know, the granite and whatnot, you could paint. And from what I understand, it stands up very well. But these are all the colors. I'm using this forest green. I've seen the pebble work really nice. It's a nice taupey gray. I think that Nantucket is gorgeous. Linen I've seen used. So yeah, I think this is, I mean, it looks like it's a great option. It gives you all the technology and why it works. You can get them in these are the different sizes you can get. I got this one. All the instructions and what it can be used on. I think this is going to be a really great product. So let's get in. I've washed everything down. I've got it on a paint towel that I've used. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and roll on the top here first, and then I'll do the steepling on the sides. Okay, so I am done with the painting. I think the paint color is coming off a little bit more brighter green than it actually is. I'm happy with the color. I'm happy with the color. Overall, I like it. Gave a really nice finish, which is nice. I had to do, I would say, about 4 coats. So it was more than what I was thinking in terms of that. I don't know if I would say it's as wonderful, you know, like a wonder product as it was kind of portrayed. I've used Rethunk Junk, and I really liked that product as well. But I mean, overall, I used more than I thought I would. It kind of sounded as if you don't hardly have to use any. That I didn't find that to exactly be true. I think I used quite a bit. In fact, the little container's almost gone. I thought I could maybe get a couple more projects painted, but I don't think that, you know, I don't think that. I mean, I like the finish, but I liked the finish from the other paints I've used. I like the color. I'm happy with the color. Overall, I think, you know, I just tell you, I mean, repainting something is just, it gives it such a different look. I'm going to go ahead and style it and kind of put the bathroom back together, and I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, so here it is styled, and I love the color. I love the look of it. Let me just fix my lampshade here a little bit. It got a little crooked. I really do love the coloring, you know, with the rest of the bathroom. It's a nice pop. It's a nice pop with the colors, the flowers. So overall, I'm very, very happy. My only thing is like what I said before, you know, it took more paint than kind of how it's advertised. And more coats, and you know, I thought I would have a couple more projects I could do, but you know, I don't think so. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. You know, paint, it's a wonderful, wonderful design tool, because you know, in a year, if I don't like this color, all I have to do is paint it, and it can be transformed into, you know, any kind of decor. You know, I just think paint really can be a huge, you know, inexpensive, great way to decorate and to change up a space. And to just really accentuate a piece. Look at, it's like almost the same color as the plant. I love that. I really do. Really, really do. I think it just kind of gives a nice little bold statement that lighter wood color, just that almost orangey, you know, lighter oak color just didn't have. So overall, I'm super, you know, I'm happy with it. And I hope that you saw that how, you know, how nice and easy it can be to just really update a piece, update a room. And paint can be a wonderful, wonderful design aspect and easy to change. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you a good idea. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure, excuse me, make sure you like, and if you have not already subscribed, make sure you do that so you don't miss anything else. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.